Spears Computer World here today reviewing the BlackBerry Blend software for your desktop, which allows you to seamlessly connect your BlackBerry device with your laptop or your iOS and Android devices, smartphone devices with your tablets. So let's jump right into it. Right here you'll see that I'm on the BlackBerry Blend website, and as you can see they have a picture of a laptop, a tablet, and a beautiful BlackBerry passport, which BlackBerry, if you're watching this, please send me a passport. But nevertheless, if you're running OS 10.3 or higher for your BlackBerry device, then you should be able to use the BlackBerry Blend software between your laptop and your smartphone. And as you can see here, you will want to download whichever OS you're running on your laptop for Windows, and then for Mac, and then for my Android and my iPhone friends, you'll want to go to your respective app stores to download the latest and greatest BlackBerry Blend software so that you can connect your tablet seamlessly with your smartphone device. And so once you download the software, one thing you'll need to do is just go in and connect. And currently what's happening is, if you try to connect without, number one, you making sure that you are connected via Wi-Fi, or for BlackBerry users, you're able to use your mobile network, but please be aware that data charges will apply, especially if you are a heavy user with data. And so as you can see, it's trying to verify secure connection, but it won't do anything because right now my BlackBerry is resetting. So I'm just showing you one of the things that'll happen if you don't have everything connected. And so after the break here in a minute, I'm going to show you how to set up everything on your BlackBerry device, and then we'll get right into using the Blend desktop software. So as you can see, from the home screen of your BlackBerry, if you swipe down from the top, you'll be able to access your quick settings. And if you have Blend on your quick settings, make sure that you have it highlighted as shown on my BlackBerry Z10 here. And once you have that highlighted, then it'll ensure that you get a connection, as you can see here on the computer screen. And now it's prompting me for a password. One thing, once you go into here, oh, you couldn't even see it. Hopefully you can see that the Blend icon is selected. Now one thing you'll want to make sure is, let's see, if you go to device settings within, is to make sure, if you're on the Wi-Fi, to make sure that you allow connections. And then once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. So I'm just going to enter my password in. As you can see, it says successfully connected to the BlackBerry. So right now it's loading the dashboard, and on this dashboard I'll be able to look at all of my messages that are on my BlackBerry device. So as you can see here, I have my BlackBerry here, and once this dashboard sets up and finishes loading, I'll show you the things that you're capable of doing here. Taking a little while. So what we'll do, we'll resume right after the break. So we're back, and now as you can see, the BlackBerry Blend dashboard has been loaded, and as you can see here, I have my emails, my BBMs, and my text messages. Over here you have a nice integration of the hub, which is comprised of all of your emails, Facebook messages, however you set those things up on your BlackBerry devices. That's one of the to me, one of the selling points for the BlackBerry 10 devices, is the integration of the BlackBerry Hub that allows me to see all of my messages in one setting. So as you can see here, I have the BlackBerry Hub activated. I'm able to filter that by just showing my actual BBMs. And one thing about it that I like is once I'm typing a message, I'm able to send that, and the cool thing about it is when I send it on BlackBerry Blend, it sends on my BlackBerry device. Hopefully you were able to see that. If you were not, I do apologize. And so every time I get a message, I'm able to see. One thing I like here is similar to Microsoft Outlook is when you receive a new email, you can preview that email. The same thing with BlackBerry Blend. You're able to see an incoming message on or your desktop computer or your laptop device, and that is a key selling point. So I can pretty much take my BlackBerry Z10, put it in another room because I'm connected via Wi-Fi, and let it charge, do whatever, and then I'm able to stay in the loop on emails for my job. If I miss a text message from somebody, I won't miss it because right here I'm able to see what it is that I'm wanting to see here on this video. And so these are some text messages here from some friends that I know, and let's see, you're able to check out some of my emails. You're able to, which I have, quite a few, not much like some may have, but I do have quite a few emails that I have here. And so I'm able to stay connected to my device without actually using my device. And so these are just other ways to get to the hub, BBM, your text messages, your calendar. So if you want to make an appointment, you'll be able to do those things. Most of these people that you see here are just Facebook friends, so you're able to do that. You're also able to go to the file manager here, and it connects to your BlackBerry device, so you can access anything as far as your box files, any documents that's on your BlackBerry device, and same thing with your iOS and Android devices as well. And I'm able to access what's on the media card and so on, as you can see here. So I'm able to get to those things there. Another thing that I like about BlackBerry Blend, it also allows me, if I'm using my device off of the charger, I'm able to see the battery life of my device. So right now I'm at 44%, and that's pretty good without having to charge. I just bought a new battery for my Z10 a couple of months ago, so I've been getting a pretty decent battery life out of it. And then here with the three dots, with the more, you're able to show everything kind of in a list or grid. I prefer the grid. Of course, you can sort by name, date, type, size, ascending, descending order. So as you can see, the beauty of having BlackBerry Blend is definitely to your advantage. If you've been wondering what the software does, I hope that I've been able to kind of walk you through it. I know for the sake of time I'm not able to really show you too much more, and to be honest with you, BlackBerry Blend is made to be simple and not anything that's complicated. Another thing here, you're able to disconnect from your BlackBerry device. You can turn your notifications off and on, and then you can click here to unlock your workspace. That's if you are on the BlackBerry Enterprise server, or called BES. You're able to separate work from play, and so that's another thing. You're able to unlock your workspace and get right to work, but if you want to deal with some personal things, you're able to use Blend just for that as well. And so that's one of the key selling points of BlackBerry Blend, is being able to utilize and use your phone on your laptop device. And so this is Spears Computer World signing off. I pray and hope that you will find this review useful. For those of you who may have given up on BlackBerry, this is to show you some things that they are doing. That BlackBerry is not dead, but BlackBerry is doing some great things, mainly so in enterprise. But that's not to say that the consumer market in time will not pick itself up. But in the meantime, if you need any more, if you need anything else or any questions, feel free to contact me on this YouTube video or go to spearscomputerworld.com. I have a blog entry there. You can list your comments, concerns, rants on the comments. This is Spears Computer World signing off.